Okay, let's talk about brick and stone on a brand new house. So if masons have installed the mortar in sub-zero temperature, it's really important that it was installed with heaters and done correctly. Sometimes we'll approach new homes and we'll see mortar that's cracked, like here, right up this vertical seam. You can see there's cracking happening there. That's from the mortar shrinkage, but there's also been some settlement happening here. So you can see the house is starting to settle, and now we could get water and ice making its way in there and making a bigger issue. Just look around, have a look at these large format stones, and you can start to see that there's cracking along the joints and seams. All the way up this vertical portion is very common. So as we approach that 1 year warranty deadline, it's really important that we submit this warranty form and we get the builder back to fill in these areas. All right, thanks for watching.